You know, everybody knows that this channel is a couple channel, right? Me and Billy created it over a year ago. And all videos did got deleted and they will start re-upload and start get serious. So that's beside the point. We just want to get that out of the way. So anyway, me and him did a little ups and downs since the whole pandemic and everything. And the other day I'm going on my phone and I see one girl that text him. Obviously it's a girl, but he don't have a girl name. But based on the messages, me know says that woman that text him. You know, man stay them love like use other person name to put there, but me usually searching phone and I stop. I want mine to say Cavian, you're going on phone, right? So when I went into his phone, I see the message and I'm like, So I say, is this real? It's like the youth have a whole other girlfriend on the side and I never know. A whole other girlfriend. And not just have a girl on the side, it's also more stuff to it. Yeah. I don't know how to feel, if I cry or I must be sad. I don't know how to feel. And person who know me personally know say if me I go through something, I rather write it in a text message and post it and get over with it, or me make some videos on my phone and then delete them after. But true, you know, I have this YouTube channel and person who know me and know say yo we have a channel together and then they see we a post, them only see video by himself and me by myself. They must have say I want one. Anyway, cut long story short, I'm going on my phone now and I read the message them. Wish me the screenshot them so I could have seen them. And wish me the screenshot. I'm going to know, I realize say I talk to this girl. When he left work at evening time, he go look for her and then he come home and stuff like that. So, we'll go back again. First time I see the message and I never say nothing. Then I go back again. Because I like to have proof. You know, you see, true, I never have no proof. At the time, I could go to him and say anything. I just read the message him and come out and we don't have an agreement say we're not supposed to go in each other's phone. We can use each other's phone, but we're not supposed to go in a message, WhatsApp message, regular message, SMS message, and Instagram and stuff like that. So I couldn't do anything about it. I said because the place I couldn't do anything about it. So I just read the message and keep me calm, keep me cool. And then like there's another spirit that says Cavian, go in at the phone again. I say I go in there, I go put the screenshot them right here. I go in at the phone, I see the girl text him. I see the girl text him. And then I said to the girl, say, the girl I said to him, say, you know, say, the other day when time we have sex. Yeah, she said, then you know say she said, then you know say the other day when time we have sex. Alright, she said, then I know say the other day when we have sex, it did pass and then I think I say have sex period. If a period no come almost pregnancy. I don't say nothing. See after everything I don't say nothing. Screenshot it again. See the screenshot here. I go back again. Me I tell her say for me, love jump argue, but this time I say I now go argue. I just want to look more evidence. Yeah, want to look more evidence. I go back again in my phone. I tell her say about from probably June, July. from them time, they may see the message, you know. I'm not saying because I own it, you know, I own it. I know if I own my own. And if you don't know me personally, you know, say, I know if I own my own. I just want to see the ultrasound, I just want to see the baby picture, I just want to see belly before I start get bad. Because you know, say, there's a lot of stuff we don't speak about on social media. There's so much we have going on personally for us, which we just keep it to ourselves. So if you see another girl from this side, I say she miss her period. I don't want to stream, just I say, yo, if you see another girl come from this side and say she miss her period, and I say, yo, what is this? We're supposed to have our kids together. I don't have any kids, him don't have any kids, so it's supposed to be both of us together. No other person. We talk about marriage and spending our life together, stuff like that we talk about. So I say, I'm not a girl on the side. I'm gonna deal with this. Anyway, fast forward to when we start post from my Instagram. Sunday, I think on Sunday or Saturday we start post some stuff from my Instagram. I'm going on my phone again. And I see the girl send. I hope it's this one. See the girl send that. And Momo drop same time. Literally drop same time. But I hope say the girl would have text her and say, yo, her period come and whatever. And up until now, the man doesn't say nothing to me, you know. The gentleman don't say nothing to me. Say yo in the outer road and things. Him not say nothing to me. All this time I read the message them and I save them. Him not say nothing to me, guys. Him do not say anything to me. How do you expect me to feel? Comment in the description, in the comment section, and tell me how do you guys expect me to feel? Tell me. Anyway, I start post like him a figure out say like I know something, because I tell you February man, you know, you can keep a secret. February man, them can keep secret like really good. And February people, you have to dig deep into them to get things out of them. See the picture come in and I screenshot and I said to him, say like when me and him upset or we have a disagreement, but I come to him and I say, Mr. Bell, do you have anything you want to talk to me about? Him like, no. The rain come back, I'll come back in again. Anyway, you got enough to do till this saga here. Because the rain now may be great. Anyway, me say, you sure you know what me said to him, say, you sure you don't have anything to tell me? Then he said to me, say, me see you post some stuff on your Instagram and your WhatsApp, wagwan. Me I said to him, say, Mr. Bell, do you have anything you want to talk to me about? He like, no. And then he must say, yo, me see you post some things on your WhatsApp and Instagram, and me say, and? Me say, do you have anything to speak to me about? And him did, and he must say, no, Cavian, no, Cavi, me not have nothing to talk to you about. Me want to know why you post them things there. So me say, Mr. Bell, really are looking at me eye? And I tell me, say, you don't have anything to talk to me about? And him did like him did watch football on him phone. And I say, you sure you don't have nothing more you want to talk to me about? Because I try to keep it done, you know, because I don't want nobody else your business. So I say, you sure you don't have, and I just constantly repeat myself, and I say, Cavi, you're deaf, man. You know, hear me say I don't have nothing to talk to you about. Me want to know why you are posting things. So I say to him, say, let me just say, who name XYZ? He must say, yo, you know, sister, I'm a family. Me I say, family? So I say, yeah, I say family, and then the message. It's like he was shocked, I must say. Look like say must forget say him never delete them out or something, because in literally guys, him face does look shocked, like he must say. Oh, me see this. Oh, what one? So me I say to him say, are your family XYZ XYZ? And me I say, alright then, since you don't have anything to talk to me about, and you don't have nothing to tell me, we are done. The relationship, the 2.5 years we were there together, it's done. Guys, in the mind I say, then Cavian, oh, you're not crying. Listen, I'll go on a quick story time. See, my first love, he mashed me up bad. And the boy made me cry whole heap of year water. Whole heap of year water, whole heap of tears. And I did tell him from day one, say, if me a break up, you're not going to see me shed a year water. I did tell him. So anyway, back to me, I say no. So me I say, you know what? You see, all of the plans that we may have it done. Me try to figure out life on my own, cause me I say relationship look like enough for me. And me did them in body a boil up and more show me picture, but me just want him to come to me and say Cavian he mess up. Anyway, me did them, me say it's like me constantly I repeat myself and I say no and I go back and forth and so me say anyway it's done, you can just move out your stuff them. And he must say you're not moving, you're not know him not left and whatever. So me say explain all of this. And it look like him never knows me these screenshot them. So me say explain all of this. The side girl, when you have time to go look for her, when you have time to go have sex with her, when you have time to get her pregnant and your child, or all of that. And I like to not give you when you want it. Me give you it. So when all of this happen, we spend all of the weekends them together. When all of this happen, and then it's like him a say, John, like the scene still and him pausing nasty, and him just a listen to me nasty. I want to cry, but I don't want to cry. I want to fight him, but I don't want to fight him. Can I tell myself that I not argue over certain situation? Anyway, I finally admit the fact say yo, he was a friend and like they meet up to talk and I don't know when they meet up or I don't know if I work with them, I don't know. Like in video, like you explain them and say, you know say like I say them in go to the girl house and them video talk and one thing leads to another and then have sex. So I said to him say, so you could use a condom. You could me say what if you did catch something or whatever. I say, John, when you use condom and it bursts. And I go far and say you could buy her some pill. And guys, I want to tell you, say the same girl now, she don't have a child either. So I know that. Oh. So to him say, I can't do this. He said, I can't do it. I'm not going to be a stepmom, sorry. Now gonna happen again. I've been in a situation where it never worked. It not gonna work out. So there you have it, guys. Hence the reason. This is the reason why I have been posting stuff on my WhatsApp. I've been posting stuff on my Instagram. And Melinda, this is the reason. I'm gonna text her because we just never in a mood to text and talk to nobody. Hope I can accept my page. So yeah, if you don't want to share it, you can share the video with your friend and get their opinion on the whole matter. As I said, I'm not sure if this is going to edit because really mainly do all of the editing. You know, me and him really depend on me. I said I just want to come out from telling you what I want. So I probably just put up uncut, raw edition, everything, all of the nice, everything probably have in the video. So yeah. I don't know how to feel. Bye guys.